Okay, let's look at this question now. A chord of length 10 centimeters subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center of a circle. The length in centimeter of a chord that subtend an angle of 120 degree at the center of same circle is approximately. Very easy question. So a circle is given and you have a chord of length 10 centimeter that subtend an angle of 90 degree at the center. Okay, so this angle would be 90 degree. So this chord would be like this, right? Let me just make it again. This chord would connect these 2 points. This point and this point, right? So this is the chord. Now the chord length is 10 centimeters and this angle is actually 90 degree. Because we know this is radius, these two angles are also equal because it's an isosceles triangle. So this angle would be 45. This angle would also be 45. Now it's a 90, 45, 90, 45 triangle. So the ratio of sides would be 1, 1 root 2. Ratio of sides would be 1, 1 root 2. So I can find the radius very easily, right? Root 2 units correspond to 10 centimeters. So 1 correspond to 10 by root 2 centimeters, right? So this radius would be equal to 1 unit. That is root 10. Or I could write it as 5 into 2 upon root 2. So that would be 5 root 2 centimeters. So radius of this circle would be 5 root 2 centimeters. Now, in this same circle, if I have a chord that subtends an angle of 120 degree, okay? So if I have a chord that subtends an angle 120 degree, this is 120. So what is the length of that chord? We need to find the length of this chord. Okay, so this angle is 120. So remaining angles, because it is also isosceles triangle, would be 30, 30, right? And because this is radius, the ratio of sides of this triangle, that is 30, 30, 120, would be 1, 1 root 3, correct? So this side, that is the length of the required chord, will be equal to r root 3. Radius is already known, that is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 into root 3 would be equal to 5 root 6, right? So in 2 steps, you just reach at the answer. Okay, so we have to write the answer in terms of decimal numbers. So it is root 6. Root 6 is precisely 2.45 actually. You can write it as, let's say, 600. Search a square around 600. I know 24 is 576. So 5.76 would be 2.4. Correct. So you can assume it as 2.4 something. So if you multiply it with 5, you get how much? You get it around, it would be 10 and 2, 12 point something. So it is slightly more than 12. So look at the options. Option B says 12.25. So that would be the correct answer.